We can continue, children. Some more problems. The next question. Find the intervals in which f of x is equal to sin 3x minus cos 3x, where 0 less than x less than pi is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. We have to find the intervals. The function is given as sin 3x minus cos 3x. Here it is trigonometric functions. Then as usual, the first step is we have to find the derivative, then put equal to 0. From that we get the intervals. So find f dash x. F dash x is equal to sin 3x derivative is cos 3x. Then derivative of 3x according to chain rule. So it is 3. So 3 cos 3x minus cos 3x derivative. Cos derivative is minus sin. So minus of minus plus sin 3x. Then again 3x derivative, that is 3. So 3 cos 3x plus 3 sin 3x. Then the next step, f dash x is equal to 0, which implies 3 cos 3x plus 3 sin 3x is equal to 0. Now we take one term to the right hand side. That implies 3 sin 3x is equal to minus of 3 cos 3x. 3 and 3 cancel. Cos 3x take to the left hand side. So which implies sin 3x by cos 3x, that's equal to minus 1. That means tan 3x is minus 1. So 3x means tan inverse minus 1. We have to find the interval. So we need to find what is x, then only we can divide into disjoint subintervals. So tan 3x is minus 1 means 3x is equal to tan inverse minus 1. Now the value, x value is given, that is in the interval 0 to pi. Zero less than x less than pi. Here we have 3x multiply by 3. So 0 less than 3x less than 3 pi. So 3x in the interval 0 to pi. Here 0, then pi, here we have 2 pi, then here it is 3 pi. So one rotation, then this much. So that much region we have to consider. Tan x is minus 1. Tan x is negative in which all quadrant? Tan is negative in second quadrant and fourth quadrant, isn't it? Tan is negative only in these two quadrants. Then second quadrant value we usually calculate as pi minus theta. This all we studied in the last year. It is calculated like that, pi minus theta. And fourth quadrant, it is 2 pi minus theta. So 3x is equal to tan inverse minus 1. That implies 3x is equal to. So tan is negative in second quadrant, fourth quadrant. Then again we have one more this semicircle portion. That is again this portion. That is full round means 360 degree. Then 360 plus 180 also you have to consider. So first value, I am writing 3x is equal to first value from the second quadrant, pi minus theta. What is theta? Theta means when tan value is 1. 1 means at 45 degree or pi by 4. So the first value is pi minus pi by 4. Is it clear? 3x is equal to tan inverse minus 1. Tan value is negative. So tan is negative in second and fourth quadrant. So you have to write those values. Not only that value, one more value, that is in 3 pi. Here 2 pi, then 2 pi plus pi by 2 is here, then here 3 pi. So this range also you have to take. So first value is pi minus pi by 4. The second value from the fourth quadrant, 2 pi minus pi by 4. Then one more value, that is 3 pi minus pi by 4. The first value is pi minus pi by 4. Then next value is 3 pi minus pi by 4. Understood, children, why we take this 3 pi minus pi by 4? Since the range 0 to 3 pi, 0 to 2 pi is the one rotation. 3 pi means again you have to take 180 degree. That is this much you have to take. So this second quadrant means it is 3 pi minus pi by 4. Now simplify that. Pi minus pi by 4 is 3 pi by 4. 2 pi minus pi by 4, 8 pi, that is 7 pi by 4. 3 pi minus pi by 4 is 11 pi by 4. And this is 3x, not x, it is 3x. So what is x? You have to find x. So divide by 3. So 3 cancel, it is first value is pi by 4. Then 7 pi by 12. 11 pi by 12. Okay. So is this much clear? First we find the derivative, then put equal to 0. So we get tan 3x is minus 1. Then 3x is tan inverse minus 1. Always in this type of questions, x will be given for trigonometric function. For the polynomial functions, we can take minus infinity to infinity. Here it is not possible like that. So always the value will be given. X is in which range, that will be given. So x is in 0 to pi. So 3x is 0 to 3 pi. Tan inverse negative means we get 3 values, that is from the first quadrant, second quadrant, fourth quadrant, then again from the second quadrant, that is 3 pi minus pi by 4. Then we simplify that, divide by x. Now draw the number, not number line, it is from 0 to pi. You have to divide that. The interval is given, open interval, it is 0 to pi. So in between you have to mark this. Pi by 4 means it is 45 degree. Then what about 7 pi by 12? Pi by 12, pi means 180. 180 by 12, 112 is 12, then 60, 15, pi by 12 means 15. So 15 into 7, what is 15 into 7? 105. Then 11 into 15, 15 into 11, 15, 15, that is 165. So these are the angles. So 45 I mark, the next one is 7 pi by 12. 7 pi by 12, that means 105, that you keep in your mind. And the next one is 11 pi by 12, that is 165 degree. And this is pi means 180. So how many intervals are there? 0 to pi we divide into 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 disjoint subintervals. So now interval sine of f dash x, then nature of f. The first interval is 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. Open interval. Pi by 4 means 45 degree. From this interval you have to take one which you know that you take and substitute in, where we have to substitute in f dash x. F dash x means 3 cos 3x plus 3 sin 3x. There you have to substitute. And write here f dash x is 3 cos 3x plus 3 sin 3x. Okay, now we can do the calculations. So from 0 to pi by 4 is 45. So 30, we know that value 30. So we can take when x is equal to 30, 30 means it is pi by 6. Okay, what is f dash x? What is f dash pi by 6? Find the value positive or negative. F dash pi by 6 is equal to 3 cos 3 into pi by 6 plus 3 sin 3 into pi by 6. 3 and 6 cancel, so it is pi by 2. That is 3 cos pi by 2 plus 3 sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1. So 1 into 3 is 3. 3 is a positive number. So here it is positive. So we can write strictly increasing. Now from the next interval, pi by 4 to 7 pi by 12. 7 pi by 12 is 105. Pi by 4 is 45. 45 to 105, you can take any angle which you know that you can take 60, 90 like that. So here I am taking x is equal to 60 pi by 3. So what about f dash pi by 3? That is 3 cos 3 into pi by 3. This cancel. Plus 3 sin 3 into pi by 3. Cancel. So 3 cos pi plus 3 sin pi. Sin 180 is 0. Cos 180 is minus 1. So it is minus 3. Minus 3. That means the second interval pi by 4 to which interval? 7 pi by 12 is negative. That is strictly decreasing. Now 2 more intervals. Next interval is 7 pi by 12 to 11 pi by 12. Okay. F dash x is equal to 3 cos 3x plus 3 sin 3x. Now 7 pi by 12 and 11 pi by 12. That is one is 105, the other one is 165. So you can take 120 or 150 like that angle. What is 120? How we write 120? 120 from the second quadrant, that is this pi. Pi minus or pi by 3 is 60. So 120 means 2 pi by 3. In that way you can calculate. Pi by 3 is 60. So 2 into pi by 3 is 120. So 120 is in this interval 105 to 165. So when x is equal to 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. What is f dash x? F dash 2 pi by 3. That is equal to 3 cos 3 into 2 pi by 3. So 3 we can cancel. Then 3 sin there also 3 into 2 pi by 3. 3 cancel. So 3 cos 2 pi plus 3 sin 2 pi. Cos 2 pi is 2 pi is in the position. Where is 2 pi's position? 0. Then after one rotation, this is 2 pi. So cos 2 pi is also 1, but sin 2 pi is 0. So this one is 3. So the third interval greater than 0, strictly increase. Now one more interval, that is 11 pi by 12 to pi. This 11 pi by 12 means it is 165 and this one is 180. In between you have to take one number. We are not familiar this interval 165 to 180. So better you take, you have to cancel, the 3 is there. That way you have to select. So look children, here I am taking 17 pi by 80. Pi means 180. 180 by 18 means 10. 10 into 17 means 170. So 170 is in between 165 and 180. This is 170. So we substitute the f dash 17 pi by 80. So that's equal to 3 cos 3 into 17 pi by 18 plus 3 sin 3 into 17 pi by 18. So 3 and 18 cancel, 6, here also 6. So 3 cos 17 pi by 6 plus 3 sin 17 pi by 6. Now how to calculate that value? Look, 3 cos 17 pi by 6 means we can write 3 pi plus no, it is minus. If it is plus you will get 19. So 3 pi minus pi by 6. 3 pi into 6 is 18 pi, 18 pi minus pi is 17 pi. Plus 3 into sin 3 pi minus pi by 6. Now 3 into 3 pi minus pi by 6. 3 pi means here it is pi, then 2 pi, then again 3 pi. So this is the place of 3 pi. 3 pi minus pi by 6, that is in second quadrant. In second quadrant cos value is negative. So 3 into minus cos pi by 6. Then plus 3 into again sin 3 pi minus pi by 6, second quadrant sin is positive. So sin pi by 6. What is cos pi by 6? Cos 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, but cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So minus 3 into root 3 by 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2. So 2 is in the denominator. 3 minus 3 root 3, or 3 we can take out, 1 minus root 3 by 2. Is it positive or negative? 3 by 2, that's positive. 1 minus root 3. Root 3 value is 1.73. So 1 minus 1.73 means negative. So total quantity is negative. So last interval it is negative. That is strictly decreased. Okay. Therefore, we can conclude f is strictly increasing. F is strictly increasing on which all intervals? 0 to pi by 4, it's open interval, union 7 pi by 12 to 11 pi by 12, and strictly decreasing on pi by 4 to 7 pi by 12, union 11 pi by 12 to pi. So this is a conclusion. So once again children, it's lengthy question. Here trigonometric function is given, we have to find the intervals in which the function is strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. So first we have to find the derivative, then put equal to 0. So we get tan 3x minus 1. So 3x means tan inverse minus 1. So minus 1 is in the second, tan is negative in second and fourth quadrant. And also you have to check the interval, what is given. It is given 0 to pi, 0 less than x less than pi. But here it is 3x, so multiply by 3. So 3x in the range 0 to 3 pi, that is one full round, then one half circle also. That much portions we have. So tan 3x is negative means we will get 3 values, that is from the second quadrant, fourth quadrant, then again from the second quadrant, that is these values. Then divide by 3, so we get 3 values. Now mark on the line, you have to mark the lowest is 0, then to pi. Then in between we mark, this is 45, 105, 165. Then 0 to 45, in that interval we can take 30 degree, that is pi by 6 you can take, then calculate, substitute in f dash x, so it is positive. Then pi by 4 to 105, from that I took pi by 3, again substitute, we will get it is negative. Then 105 to 165, you can take 120 or 150. Here I took 120, that is 2 pi by 3. Then substitute, we will get it is positive. Then from the last interval, that is 165 to 180. So I took 170, that is 17 pi by 18. Then substitute and check whether it is positive or negative. So it is negative, then we write the conclusion. Then next question. Find the least value of a such that the function given by f of x is x square plus ax plus 1 is increasing on closed interval 1, 2. Find the least value of a. The function is increasing. So f of x is given x square plus ax plus 1. What is f dash x? 2x plus, a is a constant, a into x. A take outside, x derivative is 1. Since given that, what is given, f is increasing, f is an increasing function. Increasing function on interval also given 1 to 2. The condition is for an increasing function, the condition is f dash x is greater than or equal to 0. That implies 2x plus a is greater than or equal to 0. That implies a is greater than or equal to 2x. Then x is in this interval 1 to 2. So when x is 1, what is a? Sorry, this is minus 2x. A is greater than or equal to minus 2. Then when x is 2, a is greater than or equal to minus 2. So a is greater than or equal to minus 2 or a is greater than or equal to minus 4. Which is the least value here? Minus 4. Therefore, least value of a is minus 4. Now the last question. Find the intervals in which f of x is equal to 2 log x minus 2 minus x square plus 4x plus 1 is increasing or decreasing. Here also we have to find the intervals. So first step we have to find derivative. Let f of x, wait one more time, f of x. F of x is 2 times log x minus 2 minus x square plus 4x plus 1. Then f dash x is equal to derivative. 2 is a constant. So 2 into log x minus 2 derivative is 1 by x minus 2 minus x square derivative 2x, 4x derivative 4 and derivative of 1 is 0. So, this much we get. Then simplification, that is, which implies f dash x is equal to, taking LCM, x minus 2, numerator 2 minus 2x plus 4, 2x plus 4 into x minus 2. Then open the bracket, f dash x is equal to 2 minus bracket 2x square minus 4x minus 4x plus 4x. No, this minus 2x only for that 2x. Okay. So, f dash x is equal to 2 minus 2x into x minus 2. This negative sign only for this x square, that is only for 2x. In that previous step I put minus as common, that is wrong. Then plus 4 into x minus 2. Then whole divided by x minus 2. So, f dash x is equal to 2 minus 2x square plus 4x plus 4x minus 8 x minus 2, or that's equal to minus 2x square plus 8x minus 6 by x minus 2. But minus 2 is common in the numerator. Minus 2 into x square minus 4x, then plus 3. Then we can factorize that. Minus 2 into, how to factorize? Product is 3, sum is minus 4. So, the numbers minus 1 and minus 3 by x minus 2. So, always find the first derivative, then write simplified form, that is as product of factors you have to write. Now, the next step, put equal to 0, f dash x is equal to 0. When f dash x is equal to 0 means minus 2 into x minus 1 into x minus 3 by x minus 2 equal to 0. That means numerator is 0, not denominator 0, numerator 0. And this is a constant minus 2, that cannot be 0. So, what is 0? X minus 1 into x minus 3 is 0, which implies each bracket is 0. So, x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 3. So, we get the value 1 and 3. And look at the function. The first term is, it is logarithmic function. The next we have a polynomial function. If it is a polynomial function, usually we write minus infinity to infinity, and we write these numbers and we get disjoint subintervals. So, if we do like that, this is infinity minus infinity, points are 1 and 3. Now, is this possible? Can we write a minus infinity 1 as one interval? The first function is log. Log is defined only for positive numbers. Log 0 is not defined and negative numbers also not defined. So, this x can't take the value 2. If x is equal to 2, log 0, that is not defined. So, for this function to be defined, x value will be more than 2. That is, we can put open interval, not closed interval. Closed 2 means 2 is also we can substitute, that is not possible. So, 2 onwards we can write. So, here this part we can't take, here there is a point 2, 2 onwards we can write. So, interval sin of f dash x and last column nature of f. So, the first interval, it is word to word 2 to 3. We can't take minus infinity 1. We can't take 1 to 2. But 2 to 3 is possible. So always you have to check the function. What about the domain of the function? Then only you write the intervals. So here starting with 2 to 3. Since 3 is a point here, that's why 3 is a point. Then next interval 3 to infinity. Now you substitute 2 to 3, take a point. We can substitute here f dash x. 2 to 3 I can take 2.5. 2.5 minus 1 is positive. 2.5 minus 3 is negative. Negative into this negative becomes positive. So 2 to 3 it is positive. Then 3 to infinity. We can take 4. 4 minus 1 positive, 4 minus 3 is positive. Positive into negative is negative. So nature of f is first interval strictly increasing and second interval strictly decreasing. So we got the intervals. I hope all of you understood this. So the important thing is, when we get the values of x, you have to check the function. What about the domain of the function? Then only take the intervals. Then write the conclusion. The function is strictly increasing on 2 to 3 and strictly decreasing on 3 to infinity. I hope all of you understood this.